In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change default page view in Adobe Acrobat. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We're going to set how this specific file opens every time so the settings you choose will travel with the document. Go to the File menu and choose Properties. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on a Mac. This opens the Document Properties window. Along the top, click the Initial View tab. Everything here controls the default experience people see when they open this PDF. First, look at the Navigation tab setting. Choose Page Only if you want the document content front and center with no side panels. Pick Bookmarks panel if your file has bookmarks and you want those to appear on the left for quick jumping between sections, or choose Pages panel to show thumbnail previews of all pages, which is great for visual navigation. Next, set the page layout. Single page shows one page at a time, ideal for slide decks or forms. Single page continuous lets you scroll smoothly from page to page in a single column, which is perfect for reports or manuals. Two up places two pages side by side, mimicking a book spread. Two up continuous keeps that side by side layout while allowing continuous scrolling for longer documents. Choose the one that best matches how you expect readers to consume the content. Now choose magnification. Fit page displays the entire page within the window, so you see everything at a glance. Fit width expands the page to the width of the window, which is useful for reading text without side margins. Actual size shows the page at 100%, preserving true dimensions for precise layouts. Default leaves magnification up to the viewer's current setting, which can be helpful if you don't want to override someone's personal preference. If you want the document to open to a specific location, use the Open to Page Number option. This is especially handy for jumping straight to the first chapter, a form section, or a key slide. Enter the page number you want and confirm it matches your intended start point. When you're happy with your choices, click OK to apply them. Then go back to File and choose Save to embed these settings into the PDF. From now on, this file will open using the page view you just configured. Keep in mind that most desktop PDF viewers honor these settings, while some browser-based viewers may not apply every preference. That's it. You've set a clear, consistent reading experience for your PDF, making it easier for your audience to navigate and read